Dear student, I am Dr. Prakash Mungli, Professor of Biochemistry. So in this lecture, I will go over overview of amino acids that form our special products. Now let's get into the details. Amino acids, as you all know, they are involved in protein synthesis. But that's not the only role of amino acids in our body. Amino acids can be diverted into protein synthesis. Amino acids can go into a special nitrogen containing products like purines and pyrimidines. They can go into heme synthesis. They can go into neurotransmitter synthesis. And amino acids can form a skin pigment like melanin. Amino acids can make certain vitamins and energy molecules like creatine phosphate. So there are so many ways that amino acids can go in and make special products. So here I am going to give an overview of some of the amino acids that go into different directions. And then in my next lecture, I will go over details of the special products coming from each and individual amino acids. Now let's look into what are the special products that come from arginine. Now the special product that come from arginine, referring to the figure below, arginine, it is a carrier of nitrogen in the urea cycle. Arginine is converted into nitric oxide, and you know nitric oxide is a neurotransmitter, it's a vasodilator, and also it's an immune modulator. Arginine has a role in the synthesis of creatine, which is eventually becoming creatine phosphate under resting condition, and creatine phosphate is a storage of energy in the muscle. And ornithine from arginine, it is involved in polyamine formation. So these are some of the special products that are coming from arginine. Coming to a special product that come from cysteine. Cysteine, it is involved in the synthesis of glutathione. You know, glutathione, it is an antioxidant, and the glutathione is gamma-glutamyl cysteanyl glycine. Cysteine is also involved in the synthesis of coenzyme A. Coenzyme A is involved in so many metabolic processes. Wherever CoA is getting into the reaction in the form of reduced coenzyme A, CoASH, that's where cysteine comes in. And also cysteine, it will form taurine, and taurine is involved in the conjugation of bile acids like taurocholic acid and taurochenodeoxycholic acid. Coming to special products that come from glycine. Glycine is involved in the heme synthesis. Very first reaction in heme synthesis is condensation of glycine with succinyl-CoA to make delta amino levulinic acid. So that's where glycine participate in heme synthesis. Glycine is needed for the formation of creatine along with the arginine. Glycine is used in purine ring formation, that is carbon 4, 5 and nitrogen 7, they are all coming from glycine. And bile acid conjugation, glycine is used like glycocholic acid and glycochenodeoxycholic acid. Glutathione formation, glycine is used, gamma-glutamyl cysteanyl glycine. In fact, 3 amino acids are used in the glutathione formation, that is glycine, cysteine and glutamate. And also glycine is used in drug detoxification mechanism, and as such glycine, it is an inhibitory neurotransmitter. These are some of the special products and special functions of glycine in our body, other than glycine being participating in protein synthesis. Coming to histidine. Special product coming from histidine is decarboxylation of histidine, giving rise to histamine, and histamine is synthesized in the mast cells and in some neuronal tissue, where it will act as a vasodilator and also as a neurotransmitter in the neuronal tissue. And histidine is used in synthesis of carnosine, homocarnosine, ergothioneine and anserine. Coming to special products that are coming from methionine. So 𝐒𝐻-adenosyl-methionine is coming from methionine, and 𝐻-adenosyl-methionine, it is involved in so many methylation reactions, especially the methyl group donated in the formation of special products like polyamine formation, epinephrine synthesis, creatine synthesis, melatonin formation, sphingolipids, DNA methylation. In all these reactions, methionine's derivative, that is 𝐻-adenosyl-methionine, is used. And also methionine is used involved in the synthesis of carnitine and acetylcholine synthesis. Coming to special products that come from serine. Serine is involved in the formation of ceramide, and ceramide is the basic structure from which sphingolipids are made in our body. And also serine, it is involved in the formation of tetrahydrofolate derivative, which is involved in the formation of purines and pyrimidines, especially N5N10 methylene tetrahydrofolate, which is coming from serine metabolism. Coming to special product that come from tryptophan. Tryptophan is involved in the formation of a neurotransmitter serotonin, neurochemical melatonin and also vitamin niacin. Serotonin is made in all serotonergic neurons, melatonin in the pineal gland, which is maintaining circadian rhythm, and also niacin, vitamin B3, which is made from tryptophan. So coming to tyrosine, special product coming from tyrosine. So tyrosine is a precursor for dopamine, norepinephrine and epinephrine. These are the catecholamine neurotransmitters which are derivatives of tyrosine. And melanin, which is made in the melanocytes of our skin, is a product that comes from tyrosine, and melanin is a skin pigment, and thyroid hormones will come from tyrosine. Coming to special products that come from glutamate and glutamine. Glutamate will form gamma amino butyric acid, which is an inhibitory neurotransmitter, and glutamate upon decarboxylation will give gamma amino butyric acid. Glutamate is also involved in the synthesis of glutathione, which is an antioxidant, which is gamma glutamyl cystinyl glycine. While glutamine, it is involved in the synthesis of purine ring. The nitrogens present in the purine ring, some of the nitrogens present in the purine ring come from glutamine, especially N3 and N9 atoms of nitrogen atoms of purine ring, they will be given by glutamine. And also glutamine is involved in the transport of amino group nitrogen from the peripheral tissues all the way to the liver for detoxification process. So these are all the special products that are coming from amino acids directly or indirectly. All these amino acids are involved in so many special functions in our body through these molecules other than their participation in protein synthesis. Thank you.